can you use too many props in your videos? Yeah, you can. But the more common problems are not using them at all, or using ones that you just didn't mean to. Just like good editing, the best props are ones you don't even notice. Here's our small creator's guide to using props. Why you should use props. The most obvious reason is that props are helpful in video communication because it's a visual medium. It's an acceleration of the human imagination. Here's two versions of the same line. Imagine you're a giant looking down on planet Earth. Imagine you're a giant looking down on planet Earth. I smite thee. Sorry, Norway. The right prop is a shortcut to your audience's brain. What is a prop anyway? It's actually short for theatrical property. I didn't know that. And it's basically anything movable that isn't you, your wardrobe, a backdrop, or electrical equipment. In the case of this frame, that means just the plastic jug of flowers and the poser table. Oh, and the lamp. Oh, and the little plant. And the small pipe that you can't actually see. The right prop. Keep it simple if you can. It's much easier to go off-piste with props than it is to get them right. And the wrong prop will be a source of distraction rather than helping to set the scene. Using the globe in the earlier sequence was the right thing to do, even though it's big and distracting, but I didn't need the prop in shot before or after that bit. It's the scene-setting props that are trickier. This jug of flowers adds some colour and paints generally one of the more obvious pictures that people think of when someone says prop. It's not very racy, but it doesn't steal a scene, and that's important if you want to establish any kind of authority and maintain the attention of your audience. But hello, Marilyn. There are worse props for a video about props than her, but Miss Monroe, apart from making it look like it's a video about props and sexism, is just plain distracting. Your audience will spend most of the video waiting for you to say something about her. We couldn't get Bing Crosby? No? Where to put your prop in frame. Of course, this will completely depend on the prop and what information you're trying to get across, but I just thought I'd show you what happens when you have a great prop, but it's lost in the frame. Here's another two versions of me, this time using this smoking pipe as a prop. Let's talk about props. Let's talk about props. It's actually a pen. The importance of props in thumbnails. One last thing that is worth mentioning about props is that they make brilliant thumbnail images. If you can manage to incorporate you and the relevant prop in a still image while filming, then you've personalized the artwork and saved yourself some time searching in Shutterstock. If that was helpful, smash that like button and subscribe, because there's 3 videos a week like this as we explore all the dusty hidden corners of growing your channel. All the while, we'll be showing you what we're doing to grow ours.